Hello, welcome back to Carlist, and today we are at Sepang International Circuit. What are we doing here? We're here to test drive the all-new locally assembled Golf GTI and Golf R-Line. So this is the first time that the GTI has been assembled out of Germany and China. So we want to see what a locally assembled GTI feels like. We particularly wanted to test out this new tricked out limited slip diff at the front axle. So give us a little bit of time and we're going to head out to the track and we'll give you some inkling on how it feels.
Alright, everyone, please get ready. We are about to move off. Gentlemen, let's start moving off slowly.
Alright, so we're in the Mark 8 Golf R-Line! Finally! It's been a long time.
Gentlemen, right now we are in the Golf R-Line.
Yes, we are in the Golf R-Line with its 8-speed automatic. This is going to be an experience because all we've known of the Golf is DSG transmissions.
We're driving on the south side.
So yeah, we're at Sepang. It's night time where all the brats come out. So let's give it a shot, huh? See how it feels. Currently I'm in just a normal drive, so let's see. Ooh, perky. Compared to the R-Line, the accelerator is definitely more responsive.
Okay, welcome to Sepang Circuit. So we all now at the south track here. Turn 1.
Let's see. Here we go. Yeah, baby! GTI is back!
Okay, 150 mark. Start braking.
Wow,
Okay,
140, just like that.
On the brake. And start turning in. Turn 1.
So let's see if this understeer has been so weak. You can really feel that diff working.
More on the left, more to the left, more to the left. Into turn 11. Okay, start turning in.
See, coming out the corner. Alright. Not bad. Alright. The fastest of gearbox.
Going to turn 2. Up to the left and the uphill.
See how this goes. We go.
Turn 10.
Nice.
Right. Turn 11 with the left. My driver books into turn 11.
Oh yeah, that's the handling we know. That's the handling we like.
And still stay more to the left. Ready on the gas before the apex and accelerate out. Let's go. Bring up some speed.
100, 120, 130, 140, 50. Wow, this car is rapid. Oh yeah, baby. It handles nice.
Line, slow the car down the left, turn 14. Again from here to start a full acceleration.
Oh, there's a bit of an anticipation there. No drama. Alright, perhaps is not the fastest 8-speed I've experienced.
You enter the street, you start braking, slowing the car down, at turn 1 it's a very sharp right-hander.
So the brakes are really nice in this car.
Once you're out of turn 1 again, you can give it some acceleration.
Let's give it some beans again. Alright. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110.
Slowing the car down.
Wow, the brakes are really good in this car.
Start braking, on the brake.
There's a lot. Oh my god. If you thought the brakes on the other car was good, this is fantastic. There's so much feel to it. You really know when you need to press harder.
Start braking.
Let's see, let's see. See if there's no understeer, because that's what it's supposed to do.
Accelerate out. So after
Oh yeah,
we're gonna
baby.
go down, we're gonna pit in here, and I'm gonna switch on my hazard light. Well, you can try with the
My
stereo
God, it
speed,
changes direction
the
quickly.
rigidity of the car, the stereo response.
Alright, so the R line, yeah, it does wallow a little bit because, you know, it's not a GTI, but it doesn't mean that it doesn't give you confidence. I'm quite confident of it handling the corners, yeah. You just pointed, it wants to go there.
And on the previous model is 2.75.
Wow, it feels good to be back in a GTI.
Golf memang dia boleh rasa the steering response is siap.
It's quite amazing. I gotta buy this car.
Thank you everyone.
But I gotta say,
Just follow.
yeah, the gear changes is quite smooth, but it just feels a bit slow. I mean, yeah, but it's okay, you know. It's not supposed to be a performance car. I don't remember the GTI being this agile. I tell you what, it definitely feels a lot more agile than the previous car. Ah, what an experience. Good boy. Oh man, so was it worth the 2-year wait to drive the new Mark 8 GTI and Golf? Yes, they're definitely much better car, much more grown up, much more refined. The Golf R line particularly was really interesting with the 8-speed automatic, because obviously all we've known is DSG in a Golf, even for the 1.4 engine. So yeah, it's now smoother, so yeah, you can probably, it's a bit more practical because of that. So you can probably drive it every day, but the excitement, but maybe it's just not built for that. The Golf R line is just supposed to A to B, back to work, so stuff like that. The GTI on the other hand is also a bit more refined, you know, it's a lot more grown up. It's not like that it's lost its character, it's just a bit more grown up. There's still good brake feel, the handling is good, and yes, Volkswagen claim that they've managed to get rid of understeer. I think they have. So yeah, like I said in the video, I would want to buy one. You should too.